Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here to my channel, welcome. On my channel, you're going to find simple, fast, easy, plant-based recipes that are also gluten-free. Today, I'm going to be making a chocolate hazelnut torte. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. So let's get started. This one is super easy, 5 ingredients, that's all we have. So we start with 1 cup of cocoa, which I'm gonna sift into this bowl because we don't wanna have any lumps in our torte. To your sifted cocoa, you're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of maple syrup, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and then last ingredient is 1/2 cup of coconut oil melted. Now I know I don't usually ever use oil, but every now and then there's a recipe that calls for it, and it's so darn good that I don't resist. And this is something I don't make a lot. I make it once in a while, and I think it's okay. Once in a while, you have some oil. So we're just going to use our whisk, and we are going to whisk this until smooth. So I've got a little bowl here. We're just going to put all this deliciousness in here. I lined it with some parchment paper just so it's a little easier to get out. And let's pray this is big enough. Okay, I think we're going to be good. Oh, yummy! Now we're going to make the topping for our torte. This is where the hazelnut part comes in. So I'm going to do 1/2 cup of hazelnut flour. Get all the lumps out here. And then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. Then we're just going to whisk this together. And it's just going to make like a crumbly kind of a top. Then we're just going to carefully sprinkle this on top and cover the whole top of this. And you know, it's not going to come out perfect because I've got the parchment paper, but you know what? Who cares? Really? You know, it's how stuff tastes. We're always so worried that everything has to look so perfect. And you know, it's real life. All right. So we're going to pop this in the freezer until it's firm, an hour or so, and then we'll be ready to taste. So this has been in the freezer for about an hour and a half. So we're just going to take it out, peel the paper away. It's an interesting little shape. Rich and chocolatey. Looks really, really good. And this came together so quickly. And just, you know, basically 5 ingredients, 6 if I guess if you include the hazelnut flour. So let's give it a try. Oh my God. If you have a sweet tooth, this will take care of it. No problem. I love that hazelnut topping. The different texture with the torte itself, really, really good. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.